Hi, my name's Kyle Walker from TerryTown RV, and today we're going to check out the brand new 2021 Jayco North Point 373 BHOK. This is a brand new floor plan, dual power awnings, LED lights, big storage space underneath, and as a plus, outdoor TV. Entertain your family and friends, watch all the ball games outside. Come back this way. You have your outdoor kitchen, Blackstone griddle, R-Vision mini fridge, everything you need to cook outdoors while you're camping. If you want to follow me inside, check out some of the new features. Inside here, you have the dinette. Sit down, eat your dinners. Over here, nice big pantry to store all your groceries. All stainless steel appliances, Whirlpool, fridge, and freezer. Residential stove by Insignia, and Insignia microwave. As you can see, you have the big island as well. Everything stainless steel. Over here, you have the JBL audio system, electric fireplace, nice big Insignia TV. And over here, you have the Stacy Stewart recliners. Just by a push of a button, kick back and relax after a long night of outdoor camping. Right here, you have the nice loft for the kids, LED lights by the stairs. Upstairs, it sleeps two. Check this out. Here, you guys have nice half bath, medicine cabinet. Back here, have your little bunk den area. This will pull out into a full bed. Sleep one up here. Nice TV. Sliding barn doors. Real cool new features that Jayco put on this North Point. Now follow me up here to the master bath. Nice big shower. Sliding glass door with a seat. Nice towel storage area. Hanging rack. And here you have the master bedroom. King size bed. Storage underneath. Every RVer loves storage. Nice big closet area. Walk in if you like. Washer dryer prep. Here you have a nice Insignia TV. 4 dressers. More storage. I'm Kyle Walker from TerryTown RV, and today you just checked out the brand new 2021 Jayco North Point 373 BHOK. Check us out online at www.terrytownrv.com, on Facebook, TerryTown RV, Instagram at TerryTown RV, and that's what you get here at TerryTown RV.